Hey everyone, it's Neha here. Welcome back to my channel. So the Ordinary's GF15% solution has been the talk of the town for a while now. And on my last video I posted 2 months back, I have been asked a couple of times as to how incorporate this in your skincare routine. How to pair this with your other skincare products without it causing any irritation or losing its efficacy. And I get you. It's like supposedly the new skincare player in the market. Like come on, we have heard about hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, PHAs, ceramides, peptides. They've been around here for some time. We've heard them over and over again and they are not new to our ears. But what is this GF? In this video, I'll show you which serums play nicely with it and which you totally need to skip, stay away from, and the science behind why. Let's go. So this GF, I know a lot of you have tried this already or it is on your list and maybe by now you know it's called growth factors. And based on my research, what I literally found, they are a kind of peptides. They are proteins, but the peptides used here in this formulation are not the regular peptides. They are special ones. They are categorized as signal peptides or growth factor peptides like EGF, TGF, IGF that boost collagen and elastin by literally telling your skin cells to divide, migrate and produce more. As we age, our natural growth factor production declines. So applying them topically can jumpstart the skin repair. Although on the Ordinary's website, there are clinical studies that back up this entire phenomena of producing more collagen, elastin and improve skin's firmness. It still seems the data is not enough, but a lot of people who have used it, including myself, have seen some positive results from this product. The Ordinary GF15% solution delivers a 15% concentrate of plant-derived growth factors in a water-like, very lightweight, extremely lightweight serum. I don't know if I should call it a serum. It feels exactly like water. It's designed to minimize visible damage, improve texture, and regenerate the look of aging skin as per the brand. Now, how does it work? So simply thinking of it as a product that fertilizing your skin's garden, giving skin cells the signal they need to grow strong and healthy. Now, why can't you mix everything together with this particular product? Because growth factor seems to be very delicate proteins. Strong acids, vitamin C or salicylic acid can denature. That is, break them down even before they do their job. I suspect mixing all these ingredients together at the same time would give you any irritation, but definitely it's going to make this product lose its efficacy, and that would be the last thing you want. The Ordinary themselves advise not to combine GF15% with direct acids, vitamin C or salicylic acid. And here is a list of 5 serums to avoid pairing with it. Glycolic, lactic acid, AHAs, BHAs, harsh pH can inactivate proteins. Vitamin C in its purest form, L-ascorbic acid, also risks denaturing growth factors. Salicylic acid, oil-based BHAs that can disrupt its protein stability should be completely avoided. Strong enzyme-based exfoliants can also break down peptide chains too. Again, no to benzoyl peroxide as it can degrade the delicate proteins. So those are all the ingredients you cannot pair it with. Now let's have a look. What are the serums? What are the ingredients you can pair this with? Squalene, oil-based hydrator that seals inactives without interfering. Peptides, short-chain fragments that work synergistically with growth factors to support collagen synthesis. Big yes to hyaluronic acid, helps growth factors to penetrate more easily. It can be paired well with retinols. You can also pair it with niacinamide, which balances oil and soothes inflammation. You can think of pairing growth factors like building a house. GF15% lays the foundation signals. Squalene, peptides, and hyaluronic acid are brick and mortar that strengthens the structure. Now, how you can layer all of them. After you cleanse, you can apply directly the GF15% solution. Then you can go with a hyaluronic acid serum if you're using one. Next, you can layer a peptide serum or a niacinamide or a retinol and then seal everything with a ceramide based moisturizer. Now, if you're going to do this entire skincare routine in the daytime, number 1, skip retinol, and second, don't forget to wear your SPF. Now, I did some research understanding what these growth factors are, and I'm going to put it out to you in a very, very easy to understand language. So IGF, insulin-like growth factor. Think of it as a crew mobilizer, like an emergency dispatcher. It sends out the signal to skin that more workers are needed. In this case, more workers are your skin cells. It tells your skin cells to divide and move into action. When IGF shows up, you get a fresh influx of skin cells, ready to repair damage and fill in thinning areas. EGF, epidermal growth factor. You can understand it to be like the energizer or the builder once the crew arrives. It's like it hands out the tools and supplies. It fuels cells division and helps build up your skin's outer protective layer, like giving each worker extra bricks, extra mortar to reconstruct the wall, smoothing out fine lines and rough patches. Next comes TGF, transforming growth factor. So this could be understood like a quality control foreman. TGF steps in to inspect, coordinates collagen and elastin production. Think of it as a foreman ensuring that every brick is aligned and every seam is closed. The result is a stronger, more resilient skin that holds its shape. And by combining these three, IGF to call in the crew, EGF to fuel their building, and TGF to oversee the quality, you get a solid, comprehensive renewal process that helps your skin look firmer, smoother, and younger over time. Now, if you're thinking of incorporating the GF15% solution into your skincare routine, I would advise you to do a small patch test before you do your entire face. Start slow. Although the brand recommends use it twice daily, store properly, keep it away from sunlight and heat to preserve the protein integrity. You could also consult your dermatologist if you have sensitive or reactive skin, and that's how you could get the most out of the Ordinary's GF15% solution. Pair it with hydrating pH neutral serums and completely avoid strong acids that can undo all that hard work. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe. Feel free to drop questions in the comments if you have some, or you can just drop in, say hi. Also, it would be interesting to note what other ingredient you are thinking right now to pair this serum with. I can't wait to see how my comment section looks. And that is all for today's video. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.